Hey everyone, it's Max again. So today I'm going to be creating a script that helps me upload my edited photos to both Google Drive, which I use for storage, and Contentful, which I use to host the images for my website at the same time. So right now this process takes me about 5 to 10 minutes. Google Drive is pretty easy, but Contentful is a bit more difficult. And so I'm hoping that by creating a script to kind of do them at the same time, instead of it taking me 5 to 10 minutes, I can just do it in 5 to 10 seconds in the future. Because this is the reason for me doing it, I'm also limiting myself to working on this just today. I'm gonna spend about 5 or 6 hours on it. That way I can actually see a productivity boost from saving the time it takes me to do these little tedious things, as opposed to if I spent, say, 3 weeks working on this project, I'm never gonna save that 3 weeks worth of time in the future. Also, my last project took me almost 6 months to create, my portfolio website, and I can do better than that. So we'll see what I can get done in just a day today. So I have no idea how to do this right now. I've got my coffee, little picture of me, and I have Google, and we're gonna figure out how to do it together. Let's get started. Step 1, get some music going. So based on my preliminary Googling, looks like I might be using Python. So I made a repo already. So I'm somewhat familiar with Python, so I think that should be easy. And so it looks like how I'm gonna be doing it is Google Drive already has so many tabs. Here, Google Drive has their own Python API. And so that kind of makes sense then. I should use Python. It makes the Google Drive part easy. And then Contentful, to do that, is just doing a post to this endpoint. And so I'm thinking the actual script then, I run the script, pass probably the path to the folder. Python checks the name of the folder, creates a folder in Google Drive, and then uploads each of the images for it. I'll have the command line to update as it uploads, because this could take minutes for it to upload each file, or each image, because it's pretty big. Yeah, all right, back to work. Okay, 7 o'clock, so that's 5 hours after I started, but most of that was spent doing Python stuff, so whatever. I might be done with the Google Drive part. So, if we see what I've got, right now I just have it hard-coded, but basically what you would do is run the script with the name of the file, so 0315, whatever the folder is. And then I have it hard-coded up here for the actual path of the file. What it goes ahead and does is first it authenticates. I check if the root folder already exists or not. If it doesn't, it goes ahead and creates it with that folder. If it does exist, it finds it and saves the root ID. I'm going to create the folder that we pass in as a child of this root folder, iterate through the folder it's passed. Then, if it's a JPEG, I start to upload it, and it tells me it uploads at the end, and then it'll say sync complete. I haven't done this yet. Sheet. Alright, well, back to grinding. We got it. Let's go. So I wonder if we can see 717. So let's go do this one. Real time. It's doing it. Oh my god. So yes, everything uploaded. And this is great. Next, I guess I gotta do Contentful. Alright, had to put new batteries in, but we got Contentful kind of working. This thing's actually going according to schedule. But yeah, let's see. Okay, not yet. Almost there. So it's the next day. I ended up eating way too much food for dinner and hit a wall, and so I stopped working last night. But ready to go. My idea at first was I was just gonna upload the images as like media, but I think it makes more sense just to actually create the entire photo collection. So I'm going to look into how I can actually add these photos. We'll see what I come up with. But it's headphones in, grind time. Pretty sure this will work now. So if we do this, I want it to upload a Contentful. I'm gonna name test post, please ignore. Okay, so it added the folder and stuff to Google Drive. This one, 543. It's uploading the images at the same time on Contentful. I should see them start appearing in the media. Yep, there's the first one. All right. I think we got it. So if we go to content, test post, please ignore, made the slug, and each of the images are published already, which means now all I have to do is come into content, go into here, actually edit the description and the metadata. It took the collection date, March 14th, from the image as well. And then go and publish, and it updates my website. And it's also in Google Drive. Sweet. So it took 2 days, not one, but it's all right. So I just got the code pretty much done. I'm going to edit some photos and kind of use it as I plan on using it in the future, and kind of like show you guys how it saves me time. Alright guys, so I just edited these and they are now in this 0531 Allerton Park. So I'm gonna pull up Hyper, so Python 3 Photo Manager, and then folders 0531 Allerton Park. Do I want to upload a Contentful? Yes. Google Drive? Yes. Title? And now hopefully it works. Looks like it is. Uploaded to Google Drive and Contentful. Alright, so it should be done now. If we check content, if I refresh. Oh my god. Yep. And all the images are published. They picked this one as a featured image. That is awesome. That's all I got for this. It was supposed to be a 1-day build, ended up being 2 days. But I mean, it happens. It's definitely gonna save me time in the future. I know it's pretty like a niche case, but I think it was really interesting to actually work with the APIs for Contentful, because I could see like how that would be useful for like a big company to like write your own process, like uploading scripts and stuff instead of having to use their website. So it's definitely a useful skill to have. And then Google Drive, I was surprised at how like locked down it is. Like I think I have to like get mine verified before, like I think I can only use it like 100 times until then. Not really too much of an issue because I'm the only one using it. Code is in the GitHub if you guys need it. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video probably in a few weeks. Yeah, see you guys.